Good morning, it's September 4th, and you're watching Futures and Charts. And it looks like I've been watching this trend line here for wheat, for spring wheat for a while now. And yesterday it closed right at like 578, right around there. So it was right at the trend line. And this morning it's up 3 cents, and so we're at 581. So we've actually broken above this trend line, which is really good news for our wheat farmers. And it's still not where it should be, but it's definitely an improvement. Because anytime you can break a trend, the trend is your friend. So we could be going up higher now. We could trade sideways for a little bit once we get into this range here. You can see here these candles wicked up to that $6 mark roughly back earlier in August. So it may struggle to get above 6 and try it a few times, but it's possible that it could actually work above that $6 mark. So that would be great news. So the other thing I'm looking at today obviously is, I don't know if you've been following, but the energy market is dropping today again. And so we've got crude oil down 54 cents roughly, and 2.5 cents down on diesel. So this, to me, this looks like it could be, it's basically trading in line with where it was back in May of 23. So this could be a support line here where we're at now, where we may not go much farther. We may get a bounce. And speaking of bounces, the Saudis are kind of rethinking their production increase for the month of October. They were going to start their increasing again, and with this price volatility going down, I don't think they want it to go down much farther. So they are rethinking the production increases that was going to start in October. So that could give us some support here at this level and possibly give us a little bounce off of this area. So if you're a buyer, you might want to take advantage of this dip just because of that fact. So because that's definitely part of it that's been pushing it down, as well as demand. China, all of these things have been kind of heavy on the market. So sometimes it just takes one thing to get things turned around, and that may be it. So the other thing here is the natural gas. It has been having a nice little run. So it takes natural gas to make fertilizer. So if this continues, possibly if I'm not sure on the fertilizer market, to be honest, but if natural gas is going to go up, your fertilizer prices may also go up as well. So that's something to be aware of. So anyway, so that's pretty much all I got for you today. Let's just have an overall look at the grains here. Wheat's up 3, winter wheat's up 5, spring wheat's up 3, 6. So, and your corn and soybeans are up. There's been a little bit of activity with China coming in and starting to buy. I think they just started to buy a little corn. So, and they continue to buy soybeans. So that's good for the overall export market for the United States. So I'd like to see that continue. But that's all I got for you today, and we'll see you in the future. Thanks for watching.